Hey chickies! We are going to be chatting all about skincare prior to any makeup application. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, please don't forget to give this video a like and hit that bell to be notified of new videos. Let's get right into it. And barefaced. I actually had a request from Rowena. I'm gonna leave her comment right here. Thank you so much for requesting this because I kind of skip over this whenever I'm filming a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, but this is basically my skincare prep routine prior to any makeup application, and these are the ones that I'm currently using. Let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing I always apply are eye drops, and that being because my eyes get really red in general. I have very dry eyes. My ophthalmologist told me that these are not the best, but honestly, if I don't use eye drops, my eyes will literally look just very red. This is just my bare skin without anything on it. You guys can see right up here we have a hormonal breakout because Tom is like right around the corner. Some vitamin C serum, Pixie Beauty. This is probably one of my hands down favorite serums from them. It's supposed to help with any sun damage. It's also supposed to give you brighter and smoother skin. And vitamin C in general is excellent for your skin. Using this religiously for I think a couple of years now. Just gonna shake it up. Take not even that much. I'd say like probably 2-3 drops. Just gonna rub it in our hands and pat into the skin. Also very careful about getting this on my brows since they are ombre powder brows, and anything with brightening properties can potentially end up fading brows, and we don't want to do that, right? While that's setting into the skin, let's go ahead and just exfoliate the lips. This is the e.l.f. Cookies and Dream Lip Exfoliator. It smells like cookies and it just goes on so well. It's definitely not abrasive, but it gets the job done. And it tastes so good, like you're eating cookies, basically. Alright, so I think that's good. For video purposes, I'm just going to take a makeup wipe, remove whatever serums on our hands, since it is a vitamin C serum. Now let's move on to the eyes so we can kind of let it marinate. So this is the Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew Refreshing Eye Gel. Really enjoying the gel formulas for the under eye area, especially during the daytime use, because the creams are just too thick and most of the time they kind of crease. So with this, I basically just take a very small amount of it, like little pea size, on the ring finger and then gently dab it underneath the eyes. Since I will be using, of course, makeup, I don't like to put it up top just because I do have oily eyelids. It's definitely going to be a call for disaster, so I don't do that for the daytime. Favorite Holy Grail products, Good Molecules. It's their Yerba Mate. It's called their Wake Up Eye Gel. It's formulated to help revitalize and energize the eye area. If you guys haven't tried this, it is a hidden gem. It is such a great product and it's really affordable. So I'll just take again. Ooh, that's actually a little bit too much. Yeah, I did apply a little bit too much, but go underneath the eyes and right up here. Making sure to apply, especially my nighttime skincare, which I don't know if you can see it, heart-shaped catch-all tray for all of my nighttime skincare. So when we're watching TV or something, it always reminds me just to kind of throw it on. Now let's go in with a moisturizer, and I've been really enjoying this one from Purity, Made Simple Moisturizer. It's probably like one of those products that I've been using for years. It's very lightweight, it's not greasy, it doesn't leave you feeling overly heavy with moisturizers. The only thing is that it doesn't contain SPF, so we are like hitting the bottom of the bottle, so I just take some of it. And I know we're just putting some on the hand. Work this on the face in upwards motions. All upwards motions. Even the neck area, which I know we always tend to forget too, but the neck area definitely also needs love, right? Let's go ahead and just wipe our hands. Apply some lip balm. This is from CoverGirl. It's their tinted lip balm, but this is in clear. And this also does contain, I believe it's shea butter if I'm not mistaken. It's contain hyaluronic acid to help kind of also plump up the lips. Because I do have a hormonal breakout right here, we do need to put something on it. Truly have been using for years, even prior to YouTube. Clearasil, it's their stubborn acne treatment, and it's supposed to be a 5-in-1. The maximum strength never failed me. So we're just gonna put it right here. Such a stickler when it comes to any SPF, and this is the one I've been using as of lately. It's from CeraVe. This is their facial moisturizing lotion, which also contains SPF 30. Love-hate relationship with this product, because love the fact that it does contain the SPF 30. I don't like the fact how it does leave a white cast, especially on the brows, and it is a little bit on the drying side. Use about, ooh, that's actually a lot. We use about that much. Rub it into hands and then upwards motions. You get everything, your nose. Especially if you're going to be using a foundation that does not contain any SPF, make sure you use something with an SPF. And also the neck area. Now for the décolleté area, I do not apply this. Have a body SPF. Next up is a gua sha tool. Favorite products to use. You can use it as is, room temperature, or you can also pop it into the fridge if you want a little bit more of a cooling effect. But as of lately, I've just been leaving it out room temperature and I love it. I also keep this on my nightstand so I remember to use it at night. Great, especially with depuffing the under eyes. Also depuffing your face, getting rid of any excess fluid. I have noticed that my face isn't looking as puffy as it normally does ever since I really started implementing this daily. I'll make sure to link everything I'm using down below in the description box. But normally with this, I'll start right here, right by the nose, right underneath, and just lightly going up. Honestly, it doesn't even take me that long to do this. It's more because I'm explaining it. That's why it is taking a little bit longer. But I would say the skin prep time is about 10 minutes. So just going upwards motions. Also right here along the jawline. It really does help with depuffing the face. And also right here underneath the eye area. All upwards motions. Flip it on this side and just go in upwards motions right here, right in between the brows. Take this side, which is a little bit more curved, and I'll take it upwards. So our skin is prepped for makeup application. But the biggest thing I would say is to make sure you wait at least maybe a good 10 minutes. So normally what I'll do is I'll go ahead and work on my hair since we have it up here in a turban so that the skincare can properly set into the skin and then we can apply our makeup. This video and another video will be the last 2 times you guys will see me with darker hair and this hairstyle because finally seeing my hairstylist. So I'm back with a full face of makeup and I wanted to just explain why I go through this whole process. I know you can easily just apply your serums, moisturizers, under eye gels, wait 5 minutes and then apply the rest of your makeup, go about your day, right? I noticed when I really let it set into the skin, the foundation, concealer, all the makeup in general goes on a lot smoother. Waiting that extra 10 minutes and letting the moisturizer serum set into your skin really lays the foundation for the rest of your makeup. And I truly do believe that it does make a difference. If you're also short on time, maybe iron your clothes, get your things together, do something else within that time, but give your skin that 10 minutes where it can really
make coffee while you're waiting.
Also, highly recommend you invest in a gua sha tool. This is genuinely an amazing product. It's fairly inexpensive and it really gets the job done. It really helps depuff. It also helps with the lymphatic drainage, and it just is an all over amazing tool. I hope you guys were able to find this video helpful and also some of the tips and tricks. Let me know if I happen to miss anything. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave them down below in the comment area. I hope you enjoyed hanging out today. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video.